This video will help you practice common English idioms and how to use them in different situations. Common English idioms. Part 6.
Hang in there. To persevere or keep going despite difficulties.
I know it's tough right now, but hang in there. Things will get better soon.
On the ball. To be organized and efficient.
Our new team member is really on the ball. She's already finished all of her assigned tasks, and it's only Tuesday.
Bite off more than you can chew. Taking on more than you can handle.
I think I bit off more than I could chew when I decided to take on 3 projects at once.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Children often resemble their parents in behavior or appearance.
He's just as stubborn as his father. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Straight from the horse's mouth. Information or news that comes from a reliable source.
I heard straight from the horse's mouth that the company is going to lay off some employees next month.
To have a chip on one's shoulder. To be easily offended or looking for a fight.
I don't know why he's always so confrontational. Maybe he has a chip on his shoulder.
To let sleeping dogs lie. To avoid disturbing a situation that could cause trouble.
I know you want to confront him about what he said, but it's best to just let sleeping dogs lie.
To have a frog in one's throat. To have difficulty speaking due to nervousness or a sore throat.
I had a frog in my throat during my presentation, but I managed to get through it.
To have a skeleton in the closet. To have a hidden secret or shameful past.
He seems like a nice guy, but I heard he has a few skeletons in his closet.
To have a sweet tooth. To have a strong liking for sweet food or desserts.
I have a sweet tooth and always need to have some candy on hand.
To have a cow. To become very upset or angry.
Don't have a cow. I'll help you fix it.